Good morning students. Today we will start question number 7. This question is very easy. Given is ABCD is a rhombus, we have to prove that the diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. This diagonal AC bisects angle A and angle C. This we have to prove, and also we have to prove and diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. We will take another diagonal BD and we have to prove this diagonal BD bisects angle B and D. Now we are proving here. I have written the given and to prove. Given is a rhombus where diagonals are given. AC and BD are the diagonals are given. I haven't taken second diagonal here. I'll take the second diagonal afterwards. Okay. And we have to prove diagonal AC, this diagonal bisect angle A and angle C in first part. In second part we have to prove diagonal BD bisect angle B and angle D. I am proving now first part. As we know, here we have to prove this AC bisects angle A and angle C. So this diagonal AC is bisecting the rhombus into two equal parts. So I'll take this triangle and I'll take this triangle. Okay. If I'll prove the congruency of the triangle, if these two triangles will be congruent, then easily I can write these two angles and these two angles equal. I am labeling the angle first. Here I am taking, let this is angle 1, angle 2, let this is angle 3 and angle 4. We want to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Bisecting means dividing into two equal half. So AC bisects angle A means dividing this angle into two equal parts. We have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, bisecting angle C means dividing this angle into two equal parts, means we have to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we will take any two triangle and then we'll prove the congruency of the triangle. Okay. Now we are taking in triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, these two triangles I am taking. As we know, it is a rhombus. When it is a rhombus, we know all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So we can write here AB is equal to AD, sides of a rhombus. Second condition, I can take AB is equal to AD. These two sides we have taken. Second condition, we can take BC is equal to DC. This BC is equal to DC. Again the sides of a rhombus are equal. And the third condition, we know this AC divides this rhombus into two equal parts. So this is the common line. AC is common in both the triangles. So I can write here this AC is common. This is common side. In second one I haven't written the reason, same reason, side of a rhombus. Side, side and side, both the triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. ABC is congruent to ADC, triangle ADC by SSS criteria. When the triangles are congruent, by simplicity I can write in triangle ABC angle is angle 2. So here I will write angle 2 is equal to, in ADC angle is angle 1. Angle 2 is equal to angle 1 by simplicity. Similarly, in triangle ABC we have angle 3. So we will write here angle 3. And in triangle ADC we have angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by simplicity. When these two angles are equal, 2 is equal to 1, 3 is equal to 4, it means this AC diagonal bisects angle A as well as angle C. This was the first part, and similarly we will prove second part. For proving second part, we will take diagonal BD. I am drawing the figure again. Here I am taking ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Now in second part we have to prove diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So we have to join this B and D. Okay. this B and D. Earlier I had taken 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am giving the name as 5, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly, we will prove, as we are done in the first part, we have proved the congruence. Similarly, here also we will prove the congruence. We will take this triangle, triangle BAD, and we will take BCD. Similarly, this I am doing second part. This was first part. I haven't written, this is first part. Now in triangle BAD and triangle BCD, in these two triangles I can write BA is equal to BC. This BA is equal to BC. Sides of a rhombus are equal. Sides of a rhombus are equal. Second element AD and CD. Just look at here. This AD and CD. Again the sides of a rhombus are equal. AD is equal to CD. Again sides of a rhombus are equal, and the third element is this BD, this diagonal. This diagonal BD is lying in this triangle as well as in second triangle also. So we will write BD is equal to BD, common side. Again triangles are congruent by the same criteria, by SSS all the three sides are equal. Therefore we can write triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. When triangles are congruent in BAD, we have to just be careful while writing the name of the angles. BAD, in this triangle we have to take angle 5, and in second triangle is angle 6. If I write 6 here and 5 here, angle 6 is not lying in triangle BAD, then there will be definitely deduction. So be careful while writing the name of the angles. Okay, this angle 5 is lying in triangle BAD. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6 by CPCT, and similarly angle 5 in triangle BAD. Similarly angle 7 is also lying in triangle BAD. I will write angle 7 is equal to angle 8, again by same reason, by CPCT. So in the second part, here the proof was this BD bisects angle B as well as angle D, means these two angles are equal. This was the proof of second part. Both are same. In first one we have taken this rhombus along with this diagonal. We have divided this rhombus into two equal parts along this diagonal AC, and in second part taken the same, here we have taken the same rhombus, but we divided the rhombus along this diagonal BD. In the first part requirement was of AC diagonal, and in the second part requirement was of BD diagonal. We have divided in the first part along this diagonal and in the second part along this diagonal.